No, I'm halfway through to Helsinki now. Yeah, it's an exciting day. Exciting day. I've just parked my car now, and I'm walking on the way to the terminal. And the parking is like super full. I was just going around 7 floors, just finding a parking space. There is the airport.
Down a quiet street, a violin hums in the midnight air. Old dreams once like they're still there.
Yeah, just finished the security check, and now
Hearts that dance but now have flown through Prague, through time, through dusky rain. The past still sings its sweet refrain.
London, Munich now, on the way to the next flight. It might be, I actually have 10-15 minutes for the next flight. Just rushing to,
electronic devices, including spare batteries and power banks.
Golden clocks and weathered stone, hearts that dance but now have flown through Prague, through time, through dusky rain. The past still sings.
I just reached Prague's airport. Yeah, but now I'm here in Prague, I'm waiting for the taxi. And then I go to the hotel, then meet the marketing director, and then meet my friend Ricardo, who got me this gig. So yeah, excited. Excited. Hey, you know what? I'm in Prague now, and I'm with a very special person. Here's my friend right here, Ricardo. I'm so happy to see him because we've been just talking over the phone and Zoom and all of these things to finally meet him here and to walk in Prague. And actually we're gonna go have something to eat or drink. It's very nice. Ricardo, is there something that you want to say?
Yes, guys, keep connecting, never lose any single opportunity. Just keep going out and get people amazing like Danny.
But every dream I dared to chase now shines like Prague in morning haze. So
Just came back from having a dinner with Ricardo. It's funny how you meet someone online. Like, you've been teaching classes for them, and then you meet them in person and you connect with them immediately. So this was one of those moments when I was actually with Ricardo. It felt like we knew each other for a very long time. And now that I'm back in the hotel, I took a shower. Now I have to work for a couple of more hours to make sure that, I have everything ready for tomorrow morning. Here's the time for time lapse of my working video.
city sighs, golden church bells kiss the skies.
Good morning. So, woke up, took a shower, and gotten ready now.
A letter folded in my coat, a map of hopes I once had wrote. Now the stars above feel close. I chase the light, I chase the ghosts, and every stone beneath my feet feels like the pulse of a dream complete.
I'm here at the venue now. I'm just waiting for people to join in. And then it's going to be 2.5 hours of absolute magic. Let's see again when people are back here. Welcome to Czech Republic! Who is the best? Adisseo! Thank you guys. Lots of love. Thank you.